We want to go over rotary cutter blades and other accessories that are available through Sloan Express, and then we'll touch on some of the other products that also could be looking at when we're going through and doing some repairs. So we're just going to walk through some of the blades that are available. Most of what you're going to see is going to be for either John Deere, Woods, your bush hog model rotary cutters. And we brought a few of the blades out here, but we do have quite a few other models quite a few other blades available. Namely, what you're going to see on John Deere side is going to be like your CX15, HX15 models, and then on your bush hogs, you're going to be looking like your 2615Ls, 2715Ls. And more specifically, when we get into the John Deere models, especially the CX and HX models, we definitely want you to call in with your serial number. That way we can make sure we're getting you the correct blade. There is a serial number break, so we want to make sure that. You also see that on the website listing what those fit. Outside of that, it's knowing if you're just after one side, knowing if it's like the left hand, right hand, center. If you don't know that, maybe even knowing what rotation it is, like counterclockwise or clockwise rotations. So keep that in mind when you're ordering. The other things we wanted to make sure of that you knew that we stocked is if you are looking at your blades or replacing them, also looking at your nuts and bolts that are in there as well. We do stock a couple different nut and bolt kits. So if you do see some excessive wear on there, make sure to be looking at that and getting that replaced as well. As far as PTO shaft assemblies, what we're going to stock is mainly going to be from the tractor to the implement. We don't have anything in stock, or we don't stock anything for out to the wings themselves, but want to make sure that you do know that we do keep PTO assemblies as well. If you do happen to get into some of your wheel assemblies, we do stock that as well. You just have to look at the model listings. We don't list very many, but we do keep a couple of these wheel assemblies in stock as well. So if you have any questions on this product, you can check it out on sloanex.com, or if you want to talk to us over the phone, call us at 800-934-9777.